Happy Sunday, Snapchat. Rare episode coming today. You normally won't see me in the shop on a weekend. However, we have a video guy that flew in town from Snapchat to record some professional content with me. And we're doing it on Sunday to avoid all the other noise, everything else going on in the shop. So that's why I'm here today. I'm going to be replacing a bedside on this Chevy Silverado right here. Then I have the new side. So that's the game plan for today. Stay tuned. Should be an interesting day.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already looking.
Oh, I missed some welds. I don't know if you guys could see here, but this is actually rolled in from this getting hit right here. I'm gonna use a block of wood and a hammer instead. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna roughly fit this bedside up. On this wheel arch, they have two different ways that they allow you to attach this. You could weld it. On this one, I'm gonna bond it all the way around. The panel bond that I use is made to prevent corrosion through this area. So I'm gonna clean this off all the way around. All right, I'm gonna fit this panel up one more time and fit all the parts along with it. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and fit the tail light up to make sure all of this is sitting correctly where it's supposed to. And all my gaps are looking nice and even. The tail light's sitting in there nice. So we know everything's fitting correctly here. Now I'm onto the front side of the bed, and being that this was all pushed in right here, I have to make sure this is correct or it won't line up with the cab of the truck properly. I have a little cheat that I do, and I actually do an X. I'm gonna go right to this point of the bedside right here, and from the same hole on both sides. And if you guys could see this, it's still in about half an inch right, or maybe a quarter inch right here. So I need to bring this out. Try this first and see if this will work. Now I think I just about have this. Now I have these sheet metal screws ran all the way around in different spots of this. And those I'm going to use for alignment points whenever I put this back on. I will run these sheet metal screws in the same holes, and that'll make sure the side is sitting exactly where I have it. All right, I just about have this bedside wrapped up. It's ready to prep and paint. So I'm gonna put it on our roll around cart and send it over to our paint department.